Relationships and intimacy are an amazing field to bring love and growth into our life. However, the idea that the other one is going to make it for me, or that it's going to be all easy and flowing, is usually more an illusion of our inner world than a reality. In order to bring growth and maturity in our relationships, we better face reality. So let me mention some of the issues that may arise in relationships, so we can bring awareness and we can navigate them in the most healthy and beneficial way as possible. For example, fear of abandonment and rejection. Have you ever felt afraid of being rejected? Fear of losing my freedom, of losing myself in the other one. Fear of not feeling good enough, of not measuring up to the standards. Have you ever felt anything like that? Fear of not being seen and liked or accepted for what I am. Feeling invaded and not being able to set up healthy boundaries. Many of us have difficulties to set up healthy boundaries. Fear of opening up. Paralyzing fear, where my body maybe doesn't respond the way I expected, or I cannot control it so well, or my speech is not coming so fluent as usually, or I get blocked in my mind. Sexual triggers or unwanted performances, jealousy, power games, etc. Few of these issues may arise in your relationship. The good news is that for our emotional world, for our relationships, there is a kind of science that we can learn and bring awareness and growth into our life. It's not exactly a science, but we can take a look to certain dynamics and understand. We can understand certain clues that can bring light into our life, into our relationships, into our hearts. Diseases are like an invitation for deeper growth. They are like an invitation for self-love. And it can be so rewarding to expand this trust, this love, this nourishment into your life. In our mindfulness and intimacy workshops, we explore these issues, bringing understanding and love, so you can create healthy relationships with yourself, with others, and with life itself. If you're interested, please feel very free to join our workshops.